Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang pasilip sa 2025 para sa inyo. So let's see what's coming to you ngayong 2025. Ang bilis ng panahon. So meron pa rin naman kayong annual reading for 2025. Pagdating ng December, so abangan nyo yun. So ito ay pasilip lang naman. Yung mga excited na dyan. Okay, so we will see what's coming to you ngayong 2025. Okay, kuha tayo ng Astro Dice. What are the energies coming to Aquarius ngayong 2025? And by the way, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, annual reading or 2025 energies overview for Aquarius. Oh, 10th house. You have Scorpio and Mercury. Whoa. So, Aquarius, pagdating ng 2025, mas magiging focus mo ang iyong trabaho, ang iyong career, your business. I see you learning a lot. No? Marami kang mga pag-aaralan. Magiging very, yung interested sa maraming bagay. Lalo na sa mga sa investment, sa shared finances, no? Pwede rin kung kayo ay may asawa na, pwedeng kayo ay magninegosyo, no, ng iyong partner. Pag-iisipan nyo, aaralin nyo kung paano kayo makakapagtayo ng negosyo or other investments. So, maari ring may mga ideas kayo on how to make money. Pwedeng online, pwedeng yung the usual na way of, traditional way of having a business, which is meron kang storefront, no? Scorpio energy is also being more, parang may pagka-obsess yung energy ninyo na parang, lalo na kung ikaw ay single, maaring hindi ka masyadong makapag bigay ng focus sa relationship, more on building your career and learning and studying. Maaring maraming mga training na darating sa'yo, or ikaw mismo, mag-enroll ka sa mga schools, pwedeng online schools, or you will do your own research on how to kung paano mo mas mapapatibay yung iyong skill set, lalo na kung may bago kang interest. Can be any field, kahit anong field yan. Let's see. Diba? You will immerse Cancer energy. Someone who is really focused, someone who is very dedicated, no? Very much dedicated sa kanyang craft. Pwedeng tutuklasin mo rin ang iyong pagiging malikhain. And ang Cancerian energy is focused on nurturing. So, pag-aalaga ng iyong sarili, pag-aalaga ng iyong trabaho, ng career path. You also have Gemini energy, cross-pollinate. See, Gemini, ang kanyang ruler ay Mercury, which is the planet of communication and thoughts. I think mas marami kang magiging kaibigan, new connections, new contacts, new acquaintances that will help you navigate your career. So, malaking tulong sa'yo ngayong 2025 yung pagkakaroon ng maraming connection, kaibigan, business, contacts, strength, ayan, dignified. Meron kang goal na parang gusto mong ma-achieve itong trono na to, no? So, maaring ngayong 2025, you will achieve like a goal or a position or a level pagdating sa career path mo or business. Yung maaring may promotion sa inyo. I see you receiving awards. Oo, kasi focus ka sa iyong trabaho, career, or business. Pero syempre, depende pa rin yan. May free will tayo. Kahit naman na andun yung opportunity, kung ang gusto mong bigyan ng attention ay relationship, nasa sayo pa rin yan. Okay, let's see what else. For Aquarius, 2025, Eight of Pentacles. Grabe, puro trabaho talaga kayo, Aquarius. I see you perfecting. Not actually, because, sabi nga nila, nobody's perfect. But, yung meron kang skill na talagang gagalingan mo, na masasabi mong expert ka dyan. Okay? May education, may achievement. So, that really makes sense. And ito ay makukuha mo, hindi dahil sa sinuwerte ka lang. Makukuha mo yan dahil pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo. Kaya, worth it yan. You also have justice. So, ang justice is about karma. You will reap what you sow. So, kung ano yung mga itinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo. This is also bringing balance into your life. I see you na mas magiging careful rin sa iyong mga decision making. Pag-iisipan mo munang maigi bago ka pumili, bago ka mag-decide. You also have the Ace of Cups on new beginnings, new source of happiness. Some of you, maaring makakasingit rin ang isang relationship. But I'm seeing here na kung single ka, pwedeng itong relationship na to is yung parang lang, mabilisang relationship lang na nakilala mo lang through friends or while you are traveling or lang siya, hindi siya ganun ka not actually ganun kaseryoso or parang magpapakilig lang sa'yo. Kasi, ang nakikita ko rito, hindi ka madidistract. O, hindi ka madidistract ng mga, ng love life. Focus ka sa iyong career path. You also have the Hierophant. So, the Hierophant, this is energy ng someone na maraming alam sa buhay, pwedeng may opportunity ka na maging teacher, trainer, mentor, someone will coach you, merong mag-i-influence sa'yo sa mga decision mo rin, someone na nahihingan mo ng tulong, ng guidance. So, kumbaga mag-i-invest ka sa iyong mind, sa iyong knowledge, sa iyong skill set ngayong 2025. Okay, tignan natin yung money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Aquarius. Oh, 'di ba? Yung dream life mo raw ay mamamanifest mo kasi meron kang enough resources para yung mga ideas mo ay magawa mo. Kasi 'di ba ang ideas nasa isip lang natin 'yan na ito magandang idea to. Pero hangga't hindi tayo nag-take action, hindi naman 'yon madadala sa reality, no? 'Di ba? Hindi natin magagawa 'yan. But for you, meron kang resources, gagawan mo siya ng paraan. So, let's see naman sa love life ng mga Aquarius. Someone is making excuses. Baka ito yung energy mo na ikaw mismo yung sumasabotahe sa relationship. Pwedeng may magpaparamdam sa'yo, pero parang hindi mo siya feel or hindi ka interesado. Or pwedeng hindi mo lang siya nararamdaman kahit na nagpaparamdam siya. Dahil may iba kang focus. Nasa iba yung attention mo. If you are in a relationship, pwede rin tong maging issue sa inyong connection kasi pwedeng wala ka masyadong time sa kanya kasi sa person mo kasi busy ka, 'di ba? Sa iyong career. May charming woman. This can be your energy. Merong decision making dito na gagawin ka. Tapos parang medyo mahihirapan ka. Oo. Parang may i-let go ka. Can be a connection or can be friendship na sa tingin mo wala kang choice. Parang ganun wala kang choice i-let go mo kasi may iba kang priority. You can be your own knight. Yes. So this is independence. Okay, Aquarius, mas magiging independent ka, you will feel like parang hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao to support you because you can take care of yourself. Okay? Yun yung mas palalakasin mo, yung iyong independence ngayong 2025. Okay? So that's the overview. Thank you so much, Aquarius. Bye.